Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Resident Evil Requiem error, that is a fatal D3D error, out of memory error. So if you're getting this error in the Resident Evil Requiem game on PC, then here you can follow the fixes. The first fix is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Resident Evil Requiem game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So right click on it, select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to delete the config.ini file. So go to the game installation folder. The game installation folder will be located at program files x86, Steam, Steam apps common and Resident Evil Requiem biohazard Requiem folder. And then here you will see the config file. So right click on it and then delete it. And after deleting the config file, then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to delete the hid.dll file and then restart Steam and then the game should launch normally. So go to C drive, program files x86, Steam and then look for hid.dll file and then right click on it and delete it. And then you can go ahead, restart the Steam. Don't forget to restart your Steam. And after restarting your Steam, then you can launch the game and check. Now if you don't find the hid.dll file, then skip this fix. Fix 4, try these tips. First, reinstall Resident Evil Requiem from your PC, and after reinstalling it, just verify the integrity of game files on Steam. Then delete the hid.dll on Steam folder. Then delete the config on the game folder. Then force close all Steam related applications on the window task manager, sign out and then sign in on Steam, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5, disable shader pre-caching and clear download cache. So open Steam, click on the Steam, go to settings, then go to downloads, scroll down and then just disable this option, enable shader pre-caching. Disable it and then click on clear cache and then again click on confirm, and after confirming it, go ahead, launch the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6, fix for the AMD users. Turn the HyperRX settings back to default to see if it would do anything, and it ended up fixing the issues and the game booted and seems playable. So this fix is for the AMD users. You can try this and check. Fix 7 is to perform clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and then reinstall it, and then you can launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here, then select the Windows operating system and then click on find. Now whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue, then select custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to lower the in-game settings. So if you are able to launch the game, then go to the in-game settings and then lower the graphics settings and video resolution, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. You can also turn off frame generation and then you can check. Fix 9 is to modify the game launch option. You can try -DX11, -D3D11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Resident Evil Requiem game and then select properties. This is just an example I am showing with another game. And then in the launch options, type -DX11 first, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, again go to properties. This time type -D3D11, close the tab and then launch the game, check. If it's still not working, again go to game properties and this time type -DX12 and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to game properties remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 10 is to run the game from game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Resident Evil Requiem game, then select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So it will open the program files x86, Steam, Steam apps common and then Resident Evil Requiem Biohazard Requiem folder. And within that folder you will find this re9exe file. What you have to do, you have to just double click it and try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then right click on it and then select properties. I'm showing the example with another game. So you have to right click on re9exe file and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and then check. If that doesn't work, then check mark disable full screen optimization option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From the drop down select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit apply and then OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all this option, then hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 11 is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. So you have to browse program files x86, Steam, Steam apps common, Resident Evil Requiem Biohazard Requiem folder, and then select the re9exe file and then click open to add it to the list. After adding it, go back, then click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings and then click on allow another app, click on browse and then again go to the game installation folder. You have to go to the same path, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps common, Resident Evil Requiem Biohazard Requiem folder and then select the re9exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. And after adding it, you have to make sure that both private and public is ticked mark for the Resident Evil Requiem file and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EACT, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program and then you can launch the game and check. Now you can also simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 12 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 and x86 version. If you download both the version, first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Now Fix 13 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app. Go to the game installation folder. So you have to again go to the same path, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps common, Resident Evil Requiem Biohazard Requiem folder, and then you have to select the re9exe file and then click on add. And after adding it, just expand it. This is just an example I am showing with another game. And then you have to select the high performance next to the GPU preference of Resident Evil Requiem exe file. And then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 14 is to disable overlay. So disable game overlay Steam. So go to Steam and then right click on Resident Evil Requiem game. This is just an example. Then go to properties and then just disable this option, enable the Steam overlay while in game, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. You can disable Discord overlay You can also disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 15 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razer Synapse, or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of the tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 16 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on Check for Updates. And if there are any updates available for your Windows, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if none of these solutions work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Resident Evil Requiem game from your PC, then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Resident Evil Requiem Fatal D3D crash error, out of memory error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.